Hi there, Graham here from McCarty Vacuum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Sanitaire SC6060 Portable Deep Cleaner. This thing here is perfect for your home or work environment where you need quick cleaning in a pinch. It's good to have around in case there's a spill that happens and you need to pick it up quick and easy. What I like about this is the 6-foot hose that easily unravels with the upholstery cleaner with a good set of brushes to help you get those spills and stains. Just snaps into place here. 22-foot cord that just easily unravels and pops off with a clip. And it weighs about just over 12 pounds, so it's not too heavy. In the back, you have your clean water and solution tank here. You just mix it up and you're ready to go. Just use hot water from the tap. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Hot water is great for washing. You can even rinse with cold water on the stain. It'll pull out all the extra soap to leave your carpet or upholstery fresh and ready for next time. Back here is your dirty water tank. Just pops back, empties out, dump it out, and you're good to go. This thing here is definitely one of the staff favorites to have at home or at work when accidents can happen. So thanks for checking it out. Come on in store to take a look or view in more details on our website. It's one of our favorite products.